Good day! Welcome to our project presentation. Today, we proudly introduce our Python-based program called Circuit Bench, all-in-one EE calculator suite. This tool is specifically designed for electrical engineering students to help them with the common electrical calculations using a user-friendly text-based interface. For the program overview and main menu, upon launching the program, you're greeted with a clean and easy to navigate main menu. Here, users can choose from 9 different options. The core calculators include Ohm's law, power calculations, series and parallel resistance, and voltage divider computations. We also included features for viewing history, exporting data to CSV, clearing history, accessing help, and exiting the program. For the future demonstration and history export and utilities, here is Mr. Ian Jan Magbilang.
Thank you, Mr. Mel Christian Sistona. And now for the demonstration of project features, let's try the Ohm's law calculator. If I want to calculate voltage, I enter the current and resistant values, and the program returns the voltage with proper units. Next is the power calculator. Users can compute power using either power is equals to voltage times the current, or power is equals to voltage squared divided by the resistance, or power is equals to current squared times the resistance. This flexibility is useful for different types of circuits. And under the series and parallel resistance, we simply input resistances separated by spaces. For series circuits, it adds them. For parallel, it applies the correct reciprocal formula. And for the voltage divider, calculator is also included. By entering input voltage and two resistors, it calculates the output voltage using the voltage divider rule. And now let's tackle about the history, exports, and utilities. All of your calculations are automatically saved in the calculation history. This helps students go back and review past problems they've worked on. You can also export this history to a time-stamped CSV file. This is also useful for reports or documentation. Just choose the export option and the file is saved locally. If needed, you can also clear the history with a confirmation prompt to avoid accidental data loss. And for the help system and error handling, may I call out Mr. Vince Elry Atienza.
So, for help system and error handling, to help users understand how to navigate and use the tool, we've included a built-in help menu. It provides a summary of what each feature does. Also, our program includes input validation and error handling to prevent crashes and guide the user when invalid values are entered. In conclusion, Circuit Bench is a modular, functional, and scalable electrical circuit calculator suite built with Python. It's designed to support learning by giving instant, accurate feedback for essential electrical calculations. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tool can help students better understand electrical concepts.